the managers, Najla ma'am, coordinators, teachers, dear children, and our precious and esteemed guests for today. A hearty welcome to one and all present here. We are celebrating a very special day today, and you can see with the aura, it's Sir's birthday. And the prep section of our junior wing is going to conduct an assembly on this special day. In fact, our special guest for today, Fatima, Sir's eldest daughter, along with beautiful Aizal and Sir's youngest daughter, Maria, with her husband Ayush, and where is that vivacious Mirha? Along with her, they all gave a surprise to Sir on his birthday. Sir's birthday is on 19th October, and Nabila, Sir's niece. Welcome, Nabila. So they all gave a beautiful surprise. The best gift, Sir, isn't it?
You're not comfortable.
Yes, so that was the best gift Sir could get. Now, you as children, the surprise by the Khan daughters. So they surprised Sir by coming all the way from different parts of the world, US, India and Pakistan. So I was just sharing that this was the best gift Sir could ever get. Now coming to you children, you can also give such beautiful surprises by remembering the important occasions of your parents, of your mom, of your dad, be it an anniversary or their birthdays, and you can celebrate their big day in your own cute ways by giving them a hug, by giving them a handmade card or flowers. So I think that would be the best gift, and they'll remember it all their life. So you agree with me? Yes? You'll give surprises to them? You'll remember their birthdays? You'll remember their anniversaries? Good. A visionary, and under his able guidance and leadership, the school has reached greater pinnacles of success. He's a man of intelligence and wisdom, and he is always a motivating factor to all of us whenever we require him. Thank you, Sir, for being for each one of us, and it's really great to have you as our leader, our mentor and our guide. I would like to recite a Urdu couplet from पिछले वो लाखों हुनर ए मजमा खूबी मुलाकातें गोया भरी महफिल से मिलता है. Thank you. And one and all present here, he said that the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Every day where we get to live, breathe and enjoy life is special. Even every moment of every day is special. Our birthday signifies a new beginning. Our birthday is the first day of another lovely year. A year of new tomorrows that is shining bright and clear. A year of new possibilities as endless as the sky, and a chance to meet the challenges in everything you try. We all are gathered here to make this day, the birthday of our beloved Principal Sir and charming Headmistress Ma'am special. On behalf of the entire junior wing, I wish Principal Sir and Headmistress Ma'am a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sir. Happy birthday, Ma'am. Now, Miss Ayana Fatima from Grade 1B will present a bouquet to Principal Sir.
truly indebted to you for all you are doing for us. You are our guiding light. Your never give up attitude is really inspiring. We really admire your courageous, dynamic and lively personality. आप हर मंजिल को पाएं, आपका हर दिन खुशियां लेकर आए, आपका हर दिन खूबसूरत हो, यही है दुआ सबकी, आपका हर दिन इसी तरह खास हो. Today, the students of preparatory section have got the privilege to conduct the special assembly on occasion of the birthday of our respected principal sir and headmistress Ma'am Sarah ma'am. Now, Amina from Prep A will conduct the assembly. Amina.
Respected Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, Saudi Manager, coordinators, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to you all. My name is Preparatory A. Today is the special assembly of Principal Sir's birthday and Sarah Ma'am's birthday. Heard by Yaman from Prep BIG. Good morning everyone. My name is Yaman from Prep B. I'm gonna say Kiran. Qul hu Allah ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Thank you, Yaman. Yadika Raghuwal from Prep B. Good morning, everyone. I am Yatika Agarwal from Prep B. The thought for the day is birthdays are a beautiful reason to celebrate life. I repeat, birthdays are a beautiful reason to celebrate life. Sir, happy birthday, Sarah ma'am. Thank you, Yadika. Speech by Sidra from Prep A. Good morning, everyone. Dear Principal Sir, thank you for all that you do, for helping us learn and caring too. With a smile and a nod, you lead us each day, guiding our steps in every way. So, here's a big wish from me to you for being the best in all that you do. Dear Sarah ma'am, just like your name, happy and joy, you make kids around you happy. You're not just the head of junior wing, you're the heart and soul of it. Sarah ma'am, you're the best person in DPS. Near or far, wherever you are, you always be my shining star. Thank you. Sidra. Urdu lines by Aliza from Prep A. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aliza Ahmed Siddiqui from Prep A. Today I'm going to say a few lines for Principal Sir and for Sarah ma'am. So here it is. आपकी सालगिरह है, खुशियों की तिनखार, रोशनी से रोशन हो आपका हर एक एहसास, खुशियों की बारिश हो, अपनों का उसार, जिंदगी में आपकी कामयाबी की हो हर बार. Happy birthday, Principal Sir and Sarah ma'am. Thank you.
have the word principal. First we have with us Miss Riona Rinduraj from Prep A. Now Miss Yashasvi Vade from Prep B will come on the stage.
Remarkable.
Next we have Master Hamdan Hassan from Prep C. Now Miss Yusera Ahmadi from Prep E will get on the stage.
Competent.
Very good. Next we have Master Abdul Hadi from Prep A.
I forget this. Punctual.
Now Miss Amina Majid from Prep C.
A for amicable. A for amicable.
And lastly we have Miss Amina Azman from Prep A. Amina.
L for lovely.
And very dear students, well, I don't have the words to express my gratitude and thanks to you all. Of affection on me, which can only be felt. You know, I just do not have enough words to thank you. I love you all. So thank you so much once again. Everybody, all these kids here, I love you, my dear. And congratulations.